Hello everyone. A few weeks ago I ordered a Lego set from the app that I order quite a lot, and I looked up on the Lego sets, and I came across the Lego set that is the 100th anniversary of Disney, the old camera, and it's got the film goes around. Alright, now about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I ordered another Lego set, and that cost me it was $28 plus $2 something for shipping, which is the Polaroid camera. You know the old cameras a few years ago when you took a photo and it would come out the front, right? And like this. Polaroid camera. Polaroid camera, right? Now I ordered this, and this is the Lego set that I will be doing tomorrow. It has everything. You've got the Polaroid camera, you've got photos, you've got the thing that goes into the Polaroid camera, so it's got all that. So the app, if you just want to know what app it is, I'm on Facebook. We're friending me on Facebook. I can tell you on Messenger what app I use, because I will be getting all of my Lego sets from this app that I use. Now, because at the moment there's a special on, right? Now, the Polaroid camera, which is this bag, it came today, the actual price in Big W is $79, and their special, right, is about 60 something dollars, right? That Polaroid camera, that Lego Polaroid camera I got a few weeks ago, as I said, came today, $28 plus the shipping was about $2 something, so about $31, $32, right? Now the other Lego set, which was the old-fashioned camera, that only cost about $33. So a couple of dollars in shipping. Now, of course, as I said, that there's a big toy sale, right? Now, the thing is, the price they've dropped that other one down to from $159, that camera, that camera, and it's got the old, the wheel thing on the top, two wheels on the top, the fuel and I've got, as I said, that's $159 normal price. They drop it down to $135. Seriously. Now, there's also another type of camera. Yeah, so they've got a toy sale on, and the old pressure camera. Like I said, that one, $135. Now, as I said, none of the cameras that have the Kodak thing, and you put them in, you open the back up, put them in, and you pull it across, right, and you go on another wheel, and you close the back and you take photos, right? Remember a few years ago, we had them. in Big W, they're selling that for $22, right? Now, of course, that's it. Okay, fair enough. But there's Lego sets in stores in Australia that aren't worth the price. You know, I mean, you've got an old-fashioned camera from the 1950s, and that was about $30-something, right? Polaroid camera, that's not even worth the price in these stores. But that other camera I mentioned, 22, okay, that's not too bad, alright? Not too bad. But when it comes to other sets, they're ridiculous price. Now, of course, the Millennium Falcon Lego set, the Millennium Falcon Lego set, I might get that later on in the next couple of months. I don't know. I might or I might not. But even that set, because it's a massive box, and there's lots of bags full of Lego stuff and that, to build that. You know, Big W is selling it for $1,140, which is a bit much. That's a bit much. And yet the app that I use, they're selling it for $200 and something. So the shipping is $90. So you're paying $300 and something for that. Remember, I know I've seen people on YouTube and they get great big box of the now paying $300 and something sounds a little bit better than paying over $1,000 for something when you can get it for less. Now, of course, in the stores, all the Lego sets are in boxes, right? But if you get them overseas, they'll come in bags. But every single thing is in the bag, right? Now, depending on what set, they might come this size. If it's other sets that there's more Lego bits, the bag will be bigger. But if it's if it's other sets and it's got it just depends on how many pieces. This one probably has less pieces than the other one did. But these ones that are a little bit less than what they are and that they cost in this country, I'd rather get them overseas. But that old-fashioned, that other camera, right? As I said, you've got the Kodak film. You know, you go in the shop and you get your Kodak film. When you get your camera, you open the back up, and you put the roll of film there, and then you carefully pull it across, and then you go around the reel on the other side, close it up, and you're ready to take some photos. And then we used to go into the shop, you know, camera shops or like the photo places, and they give them the roll of film, you know, and take it out, take it to the shop, and they do the photos and have a look. Oh yes, they would. That one, which is only $22, not too bad. I mean, it might be a little bit less, being the toy sale, but that's fair enough, right? Fair enough. But it's any other sets, I will not get any other type of sets that, you know, that are in the 50s or 60s or 70s or 100 or something, or even more. I mean, I said, aren't worth the prices. I'll let them, I'll get any other bigger prices, I'll get them overseas. But I will not get those ones that are cost ridiculous prices in this country. So this, which is the Polaroid camera, which has camera, photos, and it's got the part that you put into the Polaroid camera to take the photo. I'll be doing this tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, so that'll be tomorrow. So as I said, that I'll be doing that Lego set, the Polaroid camera, and it's got the other part where you go into it, you get it and put it in and the film. That'll be tomorrow. So anyway, take care and bye now.